Alright, so took the seat off. It's the battery. The alarm fobs actually have batteries in them as well, which is pretty good. You could put this on top of the battery, I suppose so, but I think I'm going to put it under the seat, so it's a little bit hard to get to. I guess any real thief is going to get the bike anyway. This is just to deter someone who's walking past and thinks they might just sit on it or something. And the vibration will set the alarm off. So part 2 of the alarm fitting. We talked about where we're going to put the alarm and we can't really think where we're going to put it. So say I'm going to take the plastic cover off the tank, take the space under there, and then we're going to decide where we want to put this little blue light, which would be nice if it was just in the plastics under there. So tank off and we'll see how much space we've got underneath there. Otherwise this is going to go on the back somewhere. I wish there's quite a bit of space in the back. So to take this off, there's a few screws, one either side, there's a bolt in the middle with a little cover on it. We might have to take the airboxes off, the pretend airbox grills. Lift off and see if we've got enough space to put the little alarm module in there. Because it is only plastic. So we'll start the easiest ones. The large Phillips. Same on the other side. First we'll just prise that cover off. See what's under there. It's that small nut. And while we're here, we'll undo this one. Well, that wasn't very tight. Same on the other side. Same place. Right. I think that's probably a 10mm. It is. Just undo that one. The dome nut and a washer. Washer might come with the tank. Alright, so I think we'll just take the cap off. Let's see if that will just lift off. There's something else under there, so we'll take the airbox covers off. For now, put that tank cover back on. Take the covers off. If you've seen my other video on putting buzzers onto the indicators, you know how this comes off. But basically there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Allen keys. The first one's just there. One just next to the horn. 2. Another one underneath. Slight angle. Three. One up here. 4. And then also, I think that's just pull out, stop pushing things. Yeah. Nice. So this, you see the pushing, actually pushes into the tank support, so this holds it down. So I have to take the other side as well. Just the same. Right, so we took the air boxes off. So this should just lift off now. Take the petrol cap back off. That's off. Is there a wire or something connected? Yeah. There's a bit of Alright, so that's it. I'm going to drill a little hole for my blue flashing light for the alarm, and then this is going to have to go somewhere. It'd be nice if it just went there. So what's like if it's there? It's not far off. Actually, that's on there. It would probably squash on okay like that. See what the front's like. Yeah, that would go like that. Just had another look, and the best place to put this light is actually in front of it by 15mm. To the side there's not enough space, so it's going to go in front by 15mm. It's going to be right on the very end, in the middle. Just a little mark. Should be close, there's not that much space. Right. That's it now. Not too bad, it's right on the end. Nice bright blue light, so it should shine up. Yep, that's secure with that. Happy with that. Right, let's fix the alarm box. Clean this off. Now it's the pad to go on. I think we've got one chance with this because it is proper sticky. When as close to the centre as we can, because the tank starts to come down quite fast, so right at the very top. Alright, that's what we're doing. Right, so just put the wires down this little gap here. Positive, negative. The immobiliser wire, I'm just going to leave up there. And this is the LED which goes with the top. I'll leave a bit of free play so when we lift that up we're not going to yank the wires and take the tank cover off. So I'll just make it all nice and neat and we'll get the tank back on. Okay, time to fit the little blue LED, which I hope I haven't broke. Right, there we go, LED, and time to see how we can fit it. Rub that straight, somewhere close, then we'll have a look at where we can fix these wires. I just pushed out of the stops on the little rubber stops. Everything seems to fit okay. So we've got two options. We can connect the battery and just make sure it works, or we can just go ahead. And I think I'm confident. So we'll just keep plodding on now. We'll bolt the tank in place. Bolt the side boxes on place. And give it a try. Everything looks okay. Right, so screws inside. Didn't have to take that middle one out in the end. Not too tight. Same the other side. Actually, yeah. I think that's it first. Battery charger. I may as well see if I can place that first of all. We'll test it with those. There we go. Got on. Right. That's very close. Hold it. Tank cover. In front. That's the cover. Okay. Right. To the other side. Okay, flip it down. Turn it up. Put the cover on. Nice and neat. Right, put the apps on now. Same as that. That's the box screws back on. Time to connect the battery up. Right, time to wire it up. Put it on positive, get on negative, give it a go. Key fob ready just in case it decides to alarm. Put the negative on first. This is why I always put little slots in them. You can just slide them on. The right angle. That's negative connected. Now for the positive. Hope it doesn't spark too much. That's good as an alarm, isn't it? tightly. Alright. Alarmed. Show you. See that? The blue light's flashing. Take it off. Blue light stops. Yeah. Now. Oh. That's the alarm, so it's still pretty loud. I've turned the sensitivity right down, and I think I've turned it down a bit too much. But yeah. Hold this arm it. Right, so put the seat back on. That's it. I'll have a go with it for a week or so. If I need to turn the sensitivity back up, we know how to do it. It's 4 bolts on the tank, and the middle one, 4 on each airbox. Just pulls off and adjust it. Actually, I think you can adjust it with the key fob. I'm going to have a look at the instructions again, see if we can do that. But for now, that's the video done. How to fit a nice simple 2-wire alarm which works on shock and movement. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Maybe you'll have a go at it yourself, and please subscribe to the channel. But until the next video, safe biking. Right, so to alarm, the blue LED flashes. And how sensitive is it? That's your warning. If you keep going, that's your alarm.